Show food fans. Today I'm joining an awesome collaboration for all your holiday side dish needs. And today we're going to 1949 to bring you a fabulous side dish including corn. Hey, this is YesterKitchen and I'm Jill. And today I am joining #holiday side dish celebration. There it is. I'm so excited to be here, and my friends over at Kitchen Queers started this. Mitch, Philip, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for thinking of this and inviting us all to join. And if you haven't seen Mitch and Philip on Kitchen Queers, you should. They are seriously one of my favorite channels here on YouTube. They're so adorable. Look at them. And they're so fun to watch, and they have the best recipes and cocktails. And since you're on my channel, you know we love cocktails, so definitely pay them a visit. Thanks so much for doing this, guys. So today I brought out one of my favorite vintage cookbooks. The Ford Treasury of Favorite Recipes for Famous Eating Places. You've probably seen this before. I did cheese soup out of this, and if you haven't, take a look right here. But as you can see, I have so many tabs that we're going to be doing a lot of future episodes in this book. It's just, this is just my happy place. But let's get to corn pudding. So as I went through this book, and believe me, I went through this book page by page multiple times, I was kind of under the assumption that most of these restaurants, since this book is from 1949, were long gone. But to my surprise, some of them are still there. Like the one that we're going to do this corn pudding recipe from today. The Buckhorn Inn is located near the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. And to my surprise, they've been there for 81 years. And if you're around the Smoky Mountains from Tennessee, let me know if you've been there. It looks beautiful. But here's a couple pictures I found for you. I'm not sure if this actual recipe is originally from 1938 when they opened, but it was in the book in 1949, so at least we know we're beautifully in vintage. So let's get started. This is super easy. The first thing you want to do is set your oven at 325. It's a low oven for this. And we have 2.5 cups of cream corn. This is your standard 2 cans. Maybe it's like 2.5 cups is like a little less than 2 cans, but I just put both cans in because it's not going to hurt anything. So here we have the cream corn, and you just use your favorite brand, and in it goes. And the next thing we have are 3 eggs that I'm just going to beat just lightly. You just want them to get a little head start. And in they go. And then I have 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I have a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. You don't have to grind it fresh, but I highly recommend you do. Then I have a 1/2 of a green pepper that I've chopped. And a tablespoon of onions that are chopped. And the last thing, pimentos. These are the little guys that you find like where the pickles and olives are being sold in these little glass jars. And the recipe calls for 1 pimento. I am not exactly sure how much 1 pimento is, but I'm going to go with 1/2 of a 4-ounce jar. Or you can buy these jars in 2-ounce sizes and just use the whole jar. Here are our pimentos, all chopped and ready to go. Pimentos are a cherry pepper. I don't think roasted red peppers will go as well. You really want pimentos because they're a little bit sweeter. And then you just kind of mix everything you got together very, very, very well. Your butter is it's not gonna break up a lot, but it is gonna melt. So you just wanna mush it down a little bit just so it kind of gets separated. And that's really all you need to do. Everything is fun. Oh my God, I love the holidays. I love cooking for the holidays. I have so much fun. So now I have a 1.5 quart casserole dish. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna pour this magical corn pudding mixture right into our casserole dish. And literally, you're done. So this is such a great dish because it's so easy to make, so even if you have a house full of company, it is not taking your time away too much. So this beauty is gonna go into the oven for an hour, and we'll be right back to check it out. I'm back. No, it's not ready. I messed up and I really apologize. I forgot one ingredient. So I'm back to my bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this casserole right back in because as soon as I close the oven door, I'm like, OMG, I forgot the milk. So let's take care of that right now. It was right in front of my face. 2 cups of whole milk. Whenever I cook retro, which is what I always do for you, I always use whole milk because that's what they had back then. So now we're just gonna go back to stirring it and making sure it's all well combined. And that, I was staring at it and I'm like, something looks different. So anyway, that's what it is. So now, we'll take our dish, let's clean up that part. And we will get started. By the way, I did grease the dish. It's fine, even though we've dumped it out once. Okay, got my fall shirt on. It keeps coming down. Now, there we go. We're gonna pour our corn pudding right up until there. Now it's going in. Now it's going in the oven for 1 hour at 325. And now let's see, do I have everything? Got it all. We'll be back. So it's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes and I did bring my temperature up to 350, so I'm gonna reflect that in the recipe. But we are back with our hashtag holiday side dish celebration. Compliments of the kitchen queers. I'm doing my part. And take a look at our corn pudding. You've got the beautiful green peppers and the pimentos, and you've got that green-red thing going on, which would be beautiful on a Christmas table. But take a look. The top is nice and a little brown, and now your eggs are cooked through. And I'm just gonna put it on this gorgeous little dish, perfect for the holidays. Take a look. It's just, sorry, do we have it? It's just beautiful. It's literally corn pudding. And it's so good. And it's just such a nice compliment to any meat. So thank you for allowing me to be part of the side dish celebration. I have a few more holiday side dishes. If you're interested, I'll put them right up there. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Friday. In the meantime, here's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even corn pudding, for the holidays, has a story. I'll see you in the next video.